This video is how to change gearbox on Volkswagen Golf MK4 1.9 TDI. It's only 3rd to 6th gears working. First of all, remove following parts. Remove engine top cover. Remove battery top cover. Remove air filter box. There is two 10mm nuts. Release clamp to a side. Remove battery and battery tray. Undo and release gear shifter. There is two clips. Linkage rods bracket. There is three 13mm bolts. Remove starter motor 2 bolts and positive battery cable. Remove gently clutch slave cylinder. Undo 2 gearbox bolts. Remove both front tires. Remove drive shaft nut. Undo 6 bolts from drive shaft. Undo rear engine mount dog bone. Do same again, 6 drive shaft bolts, and drive shaft nut. Undo all gearbox bolts. Jack it with engine jack. To easier remove all drive shafts, better remove both drop links. Undo 3 bolts. Do a bit wiggle, and boom, gearbox is off. In our case, we need to do bleeding and pumping clutch. Thanks for watching.